Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. You want more information about how to stop my dog from mating? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to stop my dog from mating is www.videojug.com. See the page titled How to Supervise Dogs Mating, Training and AMP, Behavior. This is the link. Try also our second rank site www.thedogtrainingsecret.com, especially the page How to Stop a Male Dog from Marking. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third rank site easynarticles.com. The web page Why Puppies Hump, How to Stop a Puppy from Humping. Here's the link.